Today we talk about how to use a Chime temporary card at store. When you request a new Chime virtual card, it will be generated instantly and appear on your Chime app without any extra step required. To obtain your Chime virtual card, simply follow these steps. 1. Launch the Chime mobile app. 2. Tap on Setting. 3. Navigate to your personal information. 4. Click on View My Card under Debit Card Setting. You will see the details of your Chime temporary virtual card, such as the Chime card number, expiration date, and CVV information. Chime users can link their Chime temporary card to payment apps like Apple Pay and Google Pay, allowing them to use their account fundamental at retail shops and gas stations that accept these payment wallets. They can also link their Chime temporary card to payment apps like Venmo or Cash App to make payments. This enables Chime users to use their account fundamental to make purchases electronically and wide range of merchants and service providers.